Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to change engine oil for your electric generator. Begin by turning off the electric generator using the main power control before performing maintenance. Place the generator on a stable, level surface to ensure safe access to the engine components. Position a container beneath the oil drain outlet to collect the used oil. Remove the engine oil fill cap to open the oil fill opening. Remove the oil drain plug from the engine to allow the oil to drain. Allow the used oil to flow completely into the container. Reinstall the oil drain plug and tighten it securely. Pour new engine oil into the oil fill opening until the proper level is reached. Finally, place the oil fill cap back onto the engine and tighten it securely to complete the oil change.